All this time CPR Black Sun been donating and doing good to people out there. You see? No one never have no problem. Now that Niah Gang died and CPR decided to take up his daughter in hand and help the daughter to strive, and as soon as Nicki Minaj came on to Black Sun Live, soon as Nicki Minaj came on to CPR Live and says she gonna help out with some things for the daughter, people have a big problem with it. Oh, no, it's a bad mind. Eh? On allow the youth alone, make the youth go and do what do, man.
This is the latest in dancehall and social media news so far. Investigations intensifies as members of Niah Gang communities gets called and former members of his community called their own jungle justice court case trial to catch the criminal.
You see the man in the when after him shooting and him go say, mother, that is Big's vice.
Ah.
All right. Thank you. Confirm.
All right.
Confirm.
All right.
Confirm. Confirm. Confirm.
Close.
Fully
Thank you
confirm.
for that piece of information that we're by.
The alleged Don Crush Bread and Biggs was said to have been paid $2 million to carry out the hit on one Niah Gang. I honestly cannot confirm anything being said because we are basically going on hearsay and there is no evidence really to back up these allegations. It is also said that Crush Bread went to Niah to extort $1 million from him, which he refused to pay, so from there Niah became his target. TikTokers figure it out, and Akeem allegedly paid to have Niah pew-pewed because he exposed their down-low lifestyle. And a couple of days before the Niah's last live he was warned about his demise, which still leaves fans puzzled and shocked.
Before, remember you said he tried to borrow $1 million from Niah. So,
No borrow. He demands it.
Hey, big
Yeah,
man,
he demands it, yeah.
I get to think twist up. Big man, let me talk. You have to listen.
Yeah.
Extortion and him around, him see him say my dad. Eh? Extortion and claim say my run pan the man. And the man, this in dirty blood man with my big clown. And him vex and him a carry belly from that.
And the gun thing.
Run now and he give me gas side for the window.
And the gun thing.
I tell a man.
And the gun thing.
Just listen, not talk. Just let me talk.
All right, Bashi, hold on there 1 second, Bashi. All right, mood for your big bro.
I am big man, I'm a rate you.
Yeah, hold on 1 second, Bashi. Bro, bread.
Oh.
Let me ask you one question before you start that. Do you ask the dog for your meal?
Bro.
Yes or no, you know?
I want turn on this year.
Why people not ask that question?
Yeah, easy.
Come on,
Spit justice and ignorance to do it.
Hold on.
Blame them.
Yo, this when me don't talk. This when me don't talk, my dad.
Blame them, both of it. Yeah. Hold on there.
This when me don't talk.
Do you ask the dog for your meal, bro?
Listen me now. No, listen me now. It's when me don't talk. Blame them and in friend them. All of them are go good on cause that dog at them kill bro and come and paint the picture, bro. You know, see they don't want me talk, bro.
Yeah, man, you have to send the program, blame them now. Move your send the program, blame them now.
Why not make all we talk one time? Why not run? You know, run. Make we talk no like when I say a crush bread this and that. Why not run up and down? Una a fool no friend, bro.
No, blame them, listen.
We not up on the live, blame them.
Blame them now.
Bro.
Somebody talk about blame them.
They are some reason why no one.
We're taking back up. You understand? We continue talk.
Why no one stay around me, bro? Blame them always around.
Answer the question there.
Listen me now.
All right. Hold on now. All those alligators.
Here we go on pan the ground. Crush bread and figure it out and him brother them know one another from jail. You see me? Crush bread got jail and thing they and know them. So Crush bread now have a thing against Niah, cause Niah gang. You hear them say Niah gang is a set of youth and not just say Niah name. It's a set of youth sitting there. Them Biggs, same one where they said they pan the killing. Stab him up. And then about 2-3 days later, our next one named Gungo get shot. So Crush Bird say them do it and contact Niah and say want $2 million them are go dead. Niah did run away. You see me, and he say nah stop till dead. Gungo him now come in trouble, be people and make trouble with be people and shit in a people car and them thing there. And say I'm a bad man, so then whack him. And he say I do it.
We'll keep you posted as to what happens next with this one. TikTok influencer and comedian Hordo broke his leg on TikTok Live after he climbed on his own cupboard and his cupboard gave way, causing him to fall.
I don't want peace. I want problems, always.
Hordo, as a 37-year-old man who weighs what you weigh, you should know better. It could have been worse. But damn TikTok making you forget common sense now. Unforgettable K and Diama even are upset at each other because of this same incident with Hordo with his madness. K contacts Diama for another ranker's number Onella who she does not speak with, and it causes them to fall out.
About Diamond right now, because Diamond don't know what man a cuss, bro.
Then if you know what I'm okay, she not gonna know what I'm. She can't read mine. She not depend on the app for know. Explain to her. Just explain. You have to explain everything. Just tell her, say, Diamond, something wrong with Arthur, and the only way I can get to him are through Onella. Just send me Onella number, please. If she start behave a certain way after that, you're not about to call her back.
Now I'm going to call her back. She done a cuss already.
So what we are going to do, Kay?
Well, I mean, I'm not for call her, but my tablet dead and me and talk to you up on the phone. Make she cuss me. Me can't bother. Me just sorry.
Why? Can't manage better. Show me never a number. She can't read mine. Oh, she gonna know where I'm going.
No, me never did tell her. She have all right for cuss me. Me just call her, ask her somebody number. What she not talk to? She have all right for cuss me.
No, she not have all right for cuss. She not for cuss.
She have all right for cuss me. She have all right for cuss me. It's okay. Me can't hold it. Me just want to know if Otto good, bro. That's all me I concentrate on.
That's all.
When you do a fall, but and then somebody go put up or do DNA and send it to be a hospital. So people fool, you know, so people don't bring the people in by the way, you know. So people just don't talk. Exactly, so that's why I must say, make them do what they want to do. By the end of the day, people don't talk. You understand me? Me know, I'm gonna have to run back on nobody because enough people do it to me and I get used to that shit. Yeah. Everybody will come in because I will mackerel send match mackerel ready.
Anna and Red Ant's DNA drama stirs up controversy on TikTok as people speculate that her newborn is not for Red Ants allegedly. People have been saying this before her due date, and it is alleged that a nurse or someone who worked at the DNA center is said to have leaked this information, claiming it is facts. As usual, hearsay can be very dangerous. Even TikToker Zach and Kim jumped on the bandwagon because of course they are not fans of Anna. They Anna have been going back and forth ever since Anna and Daniel dissed them because they have been making them the talk of the town on the internet.
So Anna hired the baby because the baby black, my love. Anyways, you are not Beyonce, you are not Miss Kitty. Girl with done all those your picnic jacket. So just show the picnic and done. Although we don't really want to see it.
I don't want peace. I want problems, always.
Girl, I'm going to tell her to go up against me. Because few months ago, this hoarded things and me and her size and did I go back to back with me. I'm going to say, I wish you baby black. Look at that girl, I know. You confirm, say, Red Ants another father. And on top of it, you pick the black. Go find your baby father, girl. Go and find your baby father or father. Well, you know, we're your baby father still, but we're not going to go down that day one day. I say, the people them on live this man in an embarrassment, shame. I say, if shame could have just, if them imagine Hey, but you know when when your life in shambles, but you have to come to work. When your life is literally in shambles, but you have to come to work. That was red hands this morning. Child.
It turns out that Anna baby is not for redance. We told them a judgment, a sentence be a hospital, cause guess what? The DNA test finally arrived and it told them go pick it up today. When it comes out, and redance deoxyribonucleic acid and the baby deoxyribonucleic acid do not correspond. Regardless of the fact that Anna did come out and say the baby have our freckles, maybe the other father passed on freckles too, but the baby is afraid and somebody just call me and I show me everything we go on, takes me first and then call me after. I don't know what kind of pasa this pandemic magan internet. I don't know what kind of showstopper this. But anything the internet say, I lie. Anything the people them say, it me a work with. Them show me videos and pictures, but I will not post it. I'm gonna reveal it. Because guess what? Based on the angle where the person is, if that for go viral, them are gonna know say, them do it. And them can lose them job, right? But this is a lot of drama now on the internet. Because the TikTok money now make again, the TikTok money now come in like that again. So Redance make it be known, say him no want another house, and I say she want a fridge. We should buy. Y'all know and I use a TikTok money and buy a fridge. Anyway, and I say she want it and the two of them mash up. So right now all them family I get involved, police I get involved. I don't know. Right now I have to go call Annie over Barbados to come down for Anna because Anna finally have a need her mother now. Because this stress, I'm pretty sure she will go on and the fact that she don't have a phone and she could have never have the money to buy a phone. If can go hustle her bread on the internet. You know what conversation? One piece of bagger. The internet did know me now wish them don't fall still because them are young people but me I say them bring them business on the internet.
We'll keep you updated as this particular story unfolds. Well, Anna and Niahs decided to forgive her mother, so hopefully if there is any truth to this story she can get help from her mother. If you have not heard the news, TikTok will be banned in January 2025, so TikTok content creators are looking for alternatives to continue giving their fans entertainment and to make bread. There is a new live app that some creators have been joining to continue named Favorited and another called Lemonade. Some TikTok fans don't seem to like the apps and are not enthusiastic about the layout and functionality of both apps.
Hi guys, let's talk about the new app called Favorited. Now, Favorited is a similar app to TikTok. Most of what I've learned so far from the other content creators over there, because I went live on the app because I'm just trying to figure out what it's all about. So when I went live, somebody came on my live and was giving me all the rundown, how to cash out, how to make money, all the works. Now, it has a similar feature to TikTok where you can send roses but you cannot tap. Well, probably you can get the first 3 taps in, but after the 3 taps it's just going to go to heart, so it does not count. That's when you're battling. You can reload just the same as TikTok in order to send gifts, and you can cash out when you make your coins. And what I've learned also is that it's easier to cash out on Favorited than TikTok. Well, that's what I've learned so far. I haven't figured it out for myself yet, but that was what I was told. The app, for the content creators like myself, you cannot upload videos just yet, neither pictures. So for the content creator babies, just hold on a bit. Probably they're gonna, talk about it and try to see if they can work that in. For the people that love to use filter like myself, not your time yet either, because mama, if you feel stuff like to me, there's no filter over there to save your life. Anything else I learned so far, I'll definitely come back to TikTok and give you all the heads up. So go follow me over there at T-Lux Beauty. That's TLUXXEBEAUTE. Bye.
You see the new app on your Favorited, it have a whole heap of potential. Up to date like TikTok. Because you see a whale over there, the whale look like a mackerel. Look like a mackerel on dry land. I tell you, like when mackerel fish are flat up and jump up and down on dry land. But apart from that, up to date like TikTok, but it's a very nice app. It have potential. And what I like about the app, The dirty thinking bagga Jamaican they not over there yet. With them bagga cussing and war and mix up. Me a beg all some nobody come over there. Don't bother come over there. Over there you can smoke, you can drink on the live, you can do anything, you can stream movie on the live, you can watch music video on the live, you can do anything over there. Over there quiet and peaceful. So I beg you to dirty thinking bagga Jamaican them. Don't go over people them app, go fuck up. And you can download it in that Play Store now.
So remember to go check these apps out before January. Andrew Clark pretends to be medical doctor and visa agent at the Spanish Town Hospital and gets charged with 5 counts of obtaining money by means of false pretense and uttering forged documents. Clark told the court that he was not a medical doctor but a TikTok personality and he was wearing scrubs and a stethoscope on the grounds of the Spanish Town Hospital for that purpose.
Welcome to the world of a medical doctor.
It was all a joke, a prank according to Andrew Clark. Mr. Clark, who portrayed himself as a doctor at the Spanish Town Hospital in St. Catherine, is now claiming to be a content creator when he appeared in the parish court on Friday. But there was nothing funny about it by the perplexed look on the faces of the complainants, 2 of whom showed up at court. They reportedly paid him hundreds of thousands of dollars to secure US visas for them. In one case,
But on a serious note, what doctor do you here have enough time to be a visa agent on the side? That is enough that should have sent off alarm bells in these patients, but of course desperate times call for desperate measures. The scammers are out and it's also Christmas, so be super vigilant when conducting business transactions, especially at this time of the year. You have made it to the end of another episode. Let me leave you with a TikToker sharing his views on the whole drama with Anna and Red Ant's DNA test results.
Anna, now me see why you sit down and take all of them lick there from Red Ants. You know say you have something up your sleeve, you know. You know say the pitney wasn't his. You know say you're not feeling pitney. And you even make the man go do the DNA test and no fight. You take all of the beating them through your pregnancy because you have something up your sleeve coming. You lick Red Ants for 6 though. And when you hard, you lick him with you lick him chip, man. Throughout your pregnancy. You know, him not listen to Niahs, you know, him stay with you, him deal with you, you know, him go through the whole process with you, and come to find out, say, when the baby born, baby not look like him, so him go do DNA test, DNA result come out, so say it's all done, and I feel him pitney. But 60% of Jamaican kids them get the wrong father anyway. I'm not in that list, but yeah. Red Ants nearly fall in that trap there, but thanks to God him figure it out and go take the test. Oh boy, Anna, you shouldn't do the man that still. You should have at least, you know, say boy, I'm sorry, you know, me have a little bit of explanation. Something happened at this point. I'm not sure if I are the father, but let's work on it. You know, you should make him go down the whole road with you and then you knock him with that one, yeah. You lick him for 6 man. God no. But that's how it goes still. People have to find out the hard way. And I guess this one, Red Ants find out the hard way, you know. So the youth when they think a fame one and a fame one. That's somebody else's child. But him have one already still. Hopefully you can give him a next one for him this time. Alright? Be wise.